So, the first couple clips of me putting in the long joist were actually from 2 weeks ago. I've been crazy busy over the last couple weeks. I'm helping my dad with a small project of his. Well, it's springtime, so that's a whole bunch of stuff. We got chicks coming in. I've been getting ready to start selling at a local market, farmer's market, and so there's some stuff along with that I've been trying to get squared away and get going, and I just have not had any time to get out here and work on this. So 2 weeks later, after those went in, we're finally back out here. We've got the rest of the joist already up here on the short side, and we're gonna try knocking some of these out today and hopefully maybe get all these put in this week. There we have it. All of the floor joists are in. That went really well. I did not expect it to go that fast. That only took like 3 or 4 hours to put in the rest of those. 2/3 of the longer ones. I already had 5 of them in, and I had to put in 10 more. The next thing that we're going to work on, and I can't do it today because I didn't bring a level with me, is I haven't put in any permanent bracing in the building yet, and that's bracing to keep the building from shucking side to side. In something like a pole barn, your posts are sunk down into the ground, and that keeps your posts from being able to go like this. They also have some bracing, but that's largely where your stability comes from. With this, since everything's sitting on top of the ground here, I don't have that stability that comes from there. So what I'm gonna do is, if I can find my finger in the beams here, I'm gonna put in angled bracing in a lot of these corners through here, so that way it triangulates the post and the beams and the sill beams, and it connects it all together, and that's going to keep it from being able to rock back side to side. So I've already gone around with the long level that's back there, and I've checked the post, and I actually was pleasantly surprised. Most of them are pretty spot on. So a couple of the rows, columns, whatever you want to call them, they're off maybe 1/2 inch. So I'm gonna try and adjust those and get them pretty close to plumb. So first off, we're gonna cut up some braces out of those boards right over there. Get a bunch of those ready to go, and then we'll get to tacking some of these on the runs that are already plumb. They're good. Get those stiffened up, and then we'll go through and adjust the rows that need a little bit of tweaking. Alrighty guys, we got the rest of those braces in up here on the lower side. We got the ones in the middle, we got the ones on the front of the shed. So we're pretty well braced for this direction. And this is the main direction that I'm really concerned about getting it braced well, is because you can see the mountain behind me and it's going this way. And as you can kind of guess, the wind moves in this direction as well. So this is the direction I really want to get it super well, super secure. And I may even come back through and put some down along the bottom as well, just to, you know, why not? I mean, it can't hurt anything to put it in there. So anyway, this is all I'm going to get done this week. It's about 8 o'clock right now. It's supposed to rain the next couple days, so we're gonna be coming out here any then. But as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next week.